What is up, you guys? It's your girl Marissa back for another video. You guys, I am so happy to be back. You guys have no idea. I have so much content I just had stored up and I just never posted it because taking the actual time to film is just not to film, but to edit is the question because I have so many ideas. Sorry if you guys hear my washer in the background. I'm editing in the basement, of course. But yeah, editing is just such a task. So yeah. Anyway, I'm glad to be back. We are here. So I am with my client. Her name is Lynette. So she is getting a fill-in right now. I'm using my Young Nails Core Clear, of course. That has become like my favorite clear acrylic. I don't like using anything else because it literally just is so clear. Like, as corny as that sounds, that's exactly how it is. And yeah, so this is just me in real time filling her in. And yeah, I thought it'd be nice for you guys to see, like my steps as I fill in the acrylic. So I guess I can kind of update you guys on what's going on. So, if you don't know, I am a nail tech in Chicago, on the south side of Chicago, currently on 82nd and Kedzie. So yeah, for now, you guys can come and stop by and see me. Definitely accepting new clients. For all my nail tech girls out there, um, just want to let you know, you guys hang in there because it is freaking hard. Like, I see everything on Instagram and everything just makes it seem like it's so freaking easy, but it's not. Because I am an introvert, I find it so hard to like continue conversations. Like, I have a battery, and when that battery runs out, it's out. Like, in the morning, my battery is not even full. My battery doesn't recharge until like I'm fully awake around 1 o'clock. When 1 o'clock hits, oh, I'm good. I'm good. And then depending on like the energy around me, my energy may falter around 5, especially if I haven't eaten. And most times in the salon, I have not eaten. So yeah. Anyway, so it's really hard for me to like keep my clients interested and talking. Like, I usually put on, so what I used to do was put on a movie or a TV show, and then we would talk about the TV show or movie. But lately, my clients have not been feeling the iPad TV situation. Like, they just don't, they ignore it and they don't watch anything. And I ask them if they want to see anything, and they're like, no, I'm good. It's just like, could you please watch something and be interested in something besides me? Because I have a hard time having conversations about random things. Like, how's the weather? Like, Um so yeah, that part is hard. And then I have like my coworkers who are like so good at talking. Like, they can talk the pants off. Like my girl Jazz, she can talk your pants off. I'm telling you, sis is a conversationalist, and I can be, but like I have to like one, be like have enough energy for it, and two, like be really into the topic. And a lot of the things that I'm interested in, I know my clients have no interest in. So yeah, that's the hard part for me. And then I'm just going through a lot, you guys, as far as this salon that I'm in. I don't want to say too much because, I want to leave things on a positive note when I leave. But right now, money isn't money, if you know what I mean. Like, so, for example, I am booked. Like right now, I am completely booked on our books, on our paper books. I am completely booked up until the 21st. But that doesn't necessarily mean that I'm getting money. And I don't like that. I don't like that I'm working hard. I'm in the salon from 10 and sometimes until 9 and 10 o'clock, like working 12-hour shifts. And at the end of the day, my check is coming out around $600. And you're probably like, why? And it's like, I know that I take time. I like, look at me. If you see right now, I'm taking my time. And it's not an enormous amount of time. Like, I time myself against my other coworkers, and it's like, okay, I'm not as fast as them on certain things. Some things I am faster, but some things I'm not. And it's just like, I want to be able to take my time. I want my clients to be able to feel happy at the end of the day. Um, and a lot of my clients that I get, unfortunately, are very picky. And so, therefore, I'm like fixing things and tweaking things and getting this piece of lint or this piece of dust off of their finger. It's just a lot of things that are like tedious that I deal with on a day to day. And it prolongs my time, which means that I'm not getting more clients in. And nor do I want to, because honestly, after watching everyone on social media, and I know you can't compare yourself, but it's like, I want to be in that position where I take 3 clients and I make a good $300 a day. Right now, I'm taking like 5 or 6. Well, they get like 2 appointments a piece most of the time. Most of the time, I'm doing manis and petties. Let's be honest. And if I'm doing that, and it's older people, and you know how older people, their feet are not in the best care, and it takes time. I'm sorry, it takes time to nip, and then they like sensitive, and they jerk, and their nerves. It's a lot, and so yeah, and that is cutting down on my money, because now I'm taking time. I'm on a mani pedi. I could do in an hour and a half, but they're like have these extreme things, and they need things. They need ingrowns taken care of. La la la. That takes now I'm at 2 hours. So now I could have been doing a full set in 2 hours and a half and made whatever, 100 and something, close to 100 something dollars. Whereas now I'm doing a mani pedi, and of course every single day we have deals. So it's like, I did a mani pedi, and they pay $60, and I'm getting $30 for those 2 hours, and then I'm doing that continuously throughout the day. So it's a lot. So money is not money, and that's the situation that I'm in right now. So, if you have any tips, y'all go ahead and leave them in the comments. But I'm in the middle of processing and getting a change in my career. I'm gonna still do nails. I'm just gonna. I want to work for myself. I want to make my money. So yeah, I don't want to split my money right now. I'm in a split situation, and I don't want to split it anymore. So yeah, but I just wanted to update you guys on what we're doing. So after I lay and do all this, I file it, send it to wash her hands, get the dust off, and polish, and she's out. Like, it's a real simple fill. Like, fills are like my favorite, honestly. We charge $40 for the fill, so this took me like an hour and a half, and I made $20 off of it. So you see what I'm saying? Yeah, yeah. So, again, let me know what you guys think, and I will see you in my next video.